Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a after work, after school power hour to get this house tidied up. So let me show you what we're dealing with right now. Alrighty, so it really isn't too bad. We've got some dishes in the sink. The dishwasher is clean, so I gotta unload that. I need to put the meat grinder away. The kids' table over here is full of stuff from homework. I need to take care of all this stuff in the corner. Let's see, what else do we got? This stuff over here. Counters definitely need to be wiped down. And then in here, we've got a lot. So the couches need to be tidied up a bit. The table over there, we've got four baskets of laundry. Excuse me, that one's dirty. And just an overall tidying. So I am going to set my timer for 1 hour and try and get all of this accomplished. So let's get started. Alright, so I put the timer on the microwave because I used my phone to record and I wouldn't be able to see the timer and record at the same time. Yeah, anyways, I can hear the timer go off whenever I'm anywhere in the house, so we just put it on the microwave. But as you can tell, I am still in my work clothes. I literally got the kids home, got their homework done, finished working, and now we are tackling some nightly chores, which includes unloading the dishwasher, reloading the dishwasher, and getting dinner started. Not to mention all of that laundry you just saw. So we are going to get to tackling this because we have a lot to do tonight and I really wanted to get it done. So I put myself under a time constraint to see if I could get it all done in under an hour.
I'm running out of time. Every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
So right here is where Josh came in to tell me he was hungry and wanted to come in and make a snack, but saw I was recording and cleaning up the kitchen. So it was just really funny. So he came in and kind of took over this side of the counter, but he did clean up this side of the counter when he was done. So I didn't have to wipe this side down. He took care of it. But I did just kind of move on to the next task that I was going to do, which was wiping down this side of the counter and then into the kids' table area where they do their homework, they eat their breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all of the above. So I had Josh take care of that side of the counter, and then I continued on with my power hour of cleaning.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
All right, so we're at about 27 minutes left. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is going into the living room and tidying that up and trying to get through all 3 baskets in the next 27 minutes. But I don't know if you can tell, I'm kind of out of breath. It's just kind of a workout, not going to lie.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step.
So before I get started on folding on this laundry, I kind of have to put everything back where it belongs because there's a lot of stuff piled in the laundry baskets. But I needed to go through these Amazon boxes because I had ordered a few things like hair towels for myself and Lila because we share 3 of them. And yeah, with washing hair almost every single night for Lila and a couple times a week for me, we go through them quite quickly. And then this past week, we had our first football game and yeah, my back really hurt. So I got a stadium chair and then the kids' water bottles started to leak. Come to find out, the little gasket that goes on the inside of the lid. Oh my God, that was just Josh chasing Kale into the other room. Anyways, their water bottles, the gasket that goes on the inside of the lid is missing on literally all 3 of them. I have no clue what happened to them, but they have had them for a couple of years. They are starting to, the coating on the outside of them starting to like flake off or chip. So it was time to replace them. So I got them all new water bottles and the other 2 actually arrived the next day. So I will be putting my little labels on them for them to bring those to school. So let's get into folding all of these clothes and see if we can't get this done in under the 30 minutes that we have left.
To the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine,
y'all, not bad. We got 30 seconds to spare. I just got up to come and check the time, and we didn't get quite everything done, but we did get a lot. So let's take a look. So counter's nice and clean. Dishes all done except for that pot, which has got burned stuff in the bottom that I'm trying to get up. Nice and clean. Ignore that. It's got to go out to the car. We did get all the towels folded and the boys' clothes folded. I did not get to my clothes. There goes the timer. Leftover socks. I did fold the blanket, and then that's my computer charger that I need to wind up, and then that pillow needs to go in the closet. But overall, not bad. So not included in this power hour, but I do want to show you a meal recipe or a dinner recipe that I am going to be making for tonight. It is a Wednesday night, so we do not have football tonight, so this is just a typical after work, after school night for us. I'm going to be making marinated barbecue garlic barbecue chicken, whatever. I'll include the recipe that I use for the marinade. It is a freezable recipe. That's what I like about it most. And then I'm going to be putting that in the oven in a baking dish. I'm also going to be making some roasted broccoli and carrots and probably mashed potatoes. So let's get to that now.
You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time, all of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release. Wanna release. Wanna release. Wanna release it. Do you remember when we carefully picked our words? So humble. Now it's like we don't care about what's coming out of our mouths. I'm sorry. I gave it time, all of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 So we jumped, falling fast. Said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it.
So you may have noticed that I really don't peel these potatoes because they are a yellow potato. The skin on them is really thin. So honestly, just to save time and because we don't mind it, I just leave the skins on the potatoes and chop them up into small cubes and throw them in the pot. So now that all the veggies are prepped, I did put the broccoli and the carrots on the same tray just because it makes it a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken into this roasting pan to go ahead and get it into the oven. I did take this chicken out of the freezer this morning so that it was in the fridge all day defrosting. And then at the very end, I had Josh take it out of the freezer and put it in the sink so that I could finish defrosting and get all of the frozen chicken that was all lumped together and have that separate so that it was easier to put into this pan. All right, so it's about 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this into the oven. We have our barbecue garlic marinated chicken here, covered with tin foil. We have our carrots that are drizzled with olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and then once they're done, they're gonna be topped with just a little bit of lemon zest. Our fresh cut broccoli that is going to be topped with olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of lemon juice, and then our yellow, golden, whatever you want to call them, potatoes. I'm going to finish these off with butter, just a little squeeze of mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise, I'm telling you, it is a huge game changer. And garlic salt. These are going into a 375 degree oven until these have an internal temperature of 165, and these reach your desired level of crispiness or tenderness, or however dark you want to get your broccoli. I really like crispy broccoli, like nice, good roasted broccoli, so I leave these in there pretty long. But yep, that is our dinner for tonight. And like I said, I will link this marinade recipe down below for you guys. It is a Pinterest recipe that I pulled, so.
Dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance.
So we definitely got a lot done in our hour of power of cleaning. I am wiped out, tired, exhausted from just that. And I got dinner started, so as soon as that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and make those potatoes, which you would have seen me finishing those up the clip before this. So that's about it for tonight. I am going to start this dishwasher after dinner and get the rest of these dishes in there so that it's nice and full. And then tomorrow we do it all over again, except for tomorrow we have football, so it's a little bit delayed. Anyways, but thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you feel so inclined to do so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the notification bell and set your notifications to all so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.